official experts to study the problem that arose due to Dharani and make recommendation for restructuring the portal, sir. The committee identified 123 issues, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir, that caused problems to the farmers and the landowners and the buyers. Sir, the committee found that the biggest lacuna in Dharani was that there was no appellate authority at the lower level. This is the major problem. Yes, we have to do that also, sir. Most of the problems on Dharani could be resolved at the mandal or revenue divisions level rather than the district collector who was entrusted with the responsibility. Already that has been done, sir. Even the Telangana, sir, even the Telangana High Court had pointed out the lapses in Dharani, sir. Even the High Court has pointed out, sir. The outcome budget on revenue register and relief for the year 24-25 points out the special drive was conducted by the district collector for disposal of pending Dharani applicants from 1st to 15th of March 2024. The committee on Dharani, among other things, recommended enactment of a comprehensive legislation governing land-related issues in place of the ROR Record Rights Act 2020, sir. Sir, ये करिए ना, sir, ये भी करना है. ये कब करेंगे बताइए? कब से हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है, sir. ये जमाने से नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत बरस हो गए. BRS से पहले से भी नहीं हो रहा है, sir. ये. Sir, you should do it, sir. We have to do this, sir. So no rules were framed after the enactment of ROR Act for over years, sir, by the previous government, but the Congress government did not frame such rules, and I hope that the rules will be framed, sir. So the ROR Act 2020 also does not provide any opportunity to landowners to appeal in case of dispute or wrong entry in Pattadar passbook, sir. Sir, hence the committee had recommended constituting revenue tribunals for redressal of land-related problems, sir. Sir, as on now, Dharani portal has 10 information modules and 35 transaction modules. The Revenue Minister Sahab had mentioned that 18.37 lakh acre of land pertaining to 11.62 lakh khatas are put in the Part B prohibition list in the Dharani portal, sir. It is very sad, sir. For this reason, the farmers who were cultivating the land, but the land is kept in Part B, were not issued new Pattadar passbook and deprived of all the benefits. And there are many people who are trying to take this land and register this land in their name, sir. Sir, about 20 lakhs applications are filled till now for correction of Dharani entries. The Revenue Minister has pointed out several shortcomings in the ROR Act, sir. Also 9 lakh applications for regularization of unregistered sale covering to an extent of 10 lakh Sada Bainami by the small and marginal farmers are pending for clearance. So when are we going to clear this, sir? As there was no legal provision in ROR Act 2020 for regularization of Sada Bainami, the Telangana High Court had stayed the regulation process, sir. That is why I am saying we have to have the regulation. This is why it is very important, sir. So moreover, the BRS government has abolished the post of village revenue officers and village revenue assistants and sent them to other departments, thereby creating a vacuum in the land administration at the village level, sir. VRO to hai nahi, sir. We have to do the correction, sir. The Revenue Minister Sahab had announced that a new ROR Act will be enacted in 24, and we welcome this move, sir. I hope that the new Act has provisions to overcome all the shortcomings that had crept into existing ROR Act of 2020, sir. I also request the government to ensure that all the pending Part B application numbering over 3 lakhs will be disposed by conducting another special drive, sir. And lastly, sir, मैं आपके जरिए फिर से हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि औकाफी जायदादों का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करिए. सर, ये धरनी के नाम पर डिस्प्यूट भी जो है उसको भी बी में डालें. लेकिन सर, प्लीज चेक, देयर इज अ डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन वक्फ एंड अ गवर्नमेंट, and in Dharani portal, sir, it has not been included in Part B, but they have clearly mentioned it as a government land, sir. When the matter is sub judice, sir, why, sir? Sir, and lastly, sir, my only submission is that a second survey, sir, ये इसमें क्या करें, sir, ये लोग? Like, sir, my grandfather gave a land to my father. My father gave a land to all brothers.